It's important to remember our limitations in this class and that this class is really more about prototyping than coming up with a finalized product. This means we're not going to be doing any coding in this class, so a lot of our interactions are limited by the Adobe XD software. Keep this in mind, we're going to be creating essentially test products or prototypes that we can share with people, we can show to our friends, we can show to our clients, that they can interact with, but it's not going to be a fully functional application. So for example, I'm going to just use some of the prototyping tools in here. And whenever I hit this play button, I can scroll through and see my prototype, and we'll get into how to create all of this stuff later. There's basic animations within this. So for instance, I can overlay, I can transition, I can animate. And there's different types of triggers like dragging and tapping. But in general, we're not going to be able to do too much with our prototypes. We can do simple transitions and animations, we can do color shifts, we can do overlays. Again, we'll get into that a little bit later in the course. But for now, I just want you to be aware of the limitations of the software. So we're not going to be making anything like editable forms, for instance. So if you have a place where someone would fill out their username, you would just, identify that and maybe have a dummy username in there. This is really more about showing the idea of your application off than actually showing a finalized product. And that's really important to remember because if you go in with that high expectation, you're just not going to be able to do it.